Welcome to another product feature episode by TST Industries. I am your host, Stephen Fox, and today I'm going to be covering our integrated taillight for the 2013 and up Kawasaki ZX6R. To begin this video, I want to start off by saying I'm very excited to be presenting this taillight today. Our product development team here at TST Industries has been working on this taillight for quite some time, and we are very happy with the final result. Now on the table with me today, I have our unit along with an OEM original Kawasaki unit from the factory. And immediately you can tell just how different our taillight is from the original. One of our core mottos here at TST Industries is to do things different in order to do them better. And that's really the cornerstone of this particular taillight. While our competitors decided to replicate the OEM geometry with just changing the circuit inside, we chose to revamp the entire tail section of the bike with our industry-exclusive design. This is partially why we're coming a little late to the party and releasing this taillight a couple of years after the 2013 model came out. To begin, you'll notice our taillight has these really cool ducted elements that go into the taillight lens. These complement the undertail geometry found on this ZX6R. And you'll also notice this central splitter that kind of invokes this twin tail-like design that you'll commonly find on some very exotic sport bikes. Now, although this taillight looks completely different from the OEM unit, it does carry a lot of the normal TST engineering requirements that go into all of our taillights. So for example, this unit is extremely bright. We have 102 LEDs in here, which makes it very easy to see during the day and exceptionally bright at night. We have our programming board in this taillight, which gives you 4 different functions that you can turn on or turn off to best suit your style, and I'll cover all 4 of those in just a little bit. Finally, touching on the last elements of our lens in particular, we do have our common hexadome light dispersing elements that you'll find across a lot of our taillights that help spread out the LED lights really nicely. And the last thing I'll mention is that we're currently offering this taillight with a smoked lens because it complements the overall look so well. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and jump on over to the bike. We'll cover those 4 different options and go ahead and continue to see just how good it looks on here. The programming switch itself is actually just a button, and it's extremely easy to access just by removing your passenger seat. The first setup that we have right here is with all of the programming functions off. So that means it's a standard brake and a standard turn signal. If I just hit the button once, that's just located on the back of the taillight unit, it now goes into the strobe brake mode, which is a nice alert for any vehicles that may be behind you. Gives them a little bit more of a warning of what you're doing. And you'll notice at this point we still have standard signals. Pushing the button again, we're going to turn that strobe brake off, but now we have our cool sequential or scanning style of signals, which looks really, really awesome for this particular taillight. Pushing the button one last time, we now have both functions turned on. So we have our strobe brake alert along with scanning signals. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when you're engaging the brake and have the turn signal on. Back at the table, I'm going to cover some of the frequently asked questions for this taillight. First and foremost, people always want to know how easy is the installation, and the quick answer is it's extremely simple. This is a direct replacement with no modification necessary to your ZX6R. The electrical installation is plug and play because we include the Kawasaki connectors on the end of our wires, which is synonymous with the TST brand. And of course, we have our installation videos on YouTube that will take you through the process step by step. Moving on to the next question. A lot of people know that whenever you put an LED style signal on your bike, it typically goes into a hyperflash state. So how do you combat that? Our taillights include load balancing resistors by default, which you can wire in to your harness that will solve the problem. However, one of our most popular products at TST Industries is our Gen 2 flasher relay, which is compatible with the 2013 and up ZX6R. If you go on our website, tstindustries.com, you'll actually find that you can add this to your order via a drop-down menu. It makes it really simple to include into your order. And this will do the exact same thing as this, but it's a very simple plug-and-play installation, takes no time at all. The next topic I'd like to cover are some recommended accessories to complement this taillight. We have our Elite 1 Fender Eliminator and Stealth license plate light that go extremely well with this taillight. You can see them here right in front of us. You can see that it's very slim. The Elite 1 Fender Eliminator includes a CNC machined base and a laser cut steel license plate bracket. The entire assembly is very compact, looks great. Let's be honest, whenever you're trying to go with an integrated taillight like this, you're just looking to make your entire tail section on your ZX6R look as good as possible, and this really gets the job done. In summary, this is a unit we are extremely proud of here at TST Industries. Bright, durable, easy installation, 4 programmable functions. It's really everything you could want with some impeccable styling to boot. For current pricing, you can head on over to tstindustries.com and also learn more about the product there and get it ordered online. If you have any other questions or comments about this product, you can go ahead and drop them via comment below. Otherwise, this has been Steven with TST Industries. Catch you next time.